coding. Welcome to lesson number 9, complement generator, strings and lists. Here's a sneak peek of what you will create today. Today, we will use Python to create a complement generator. Before we get started, as always, if you get stuck, check spelling, check parentheses, check indentation, check quotation marks, read the error message out loud, and remember Python is a case-sensitive language. Today you will learn what is a string, what is a list, how to pick a random item, and how to build a fun program. Let's get started. What is a string? A string is text in quotes. Strings equal words or sentences. Here are some examples. Hello, you are awesome, and Python is fun. What is a list? A list is a group of items. Lists hold multiple items in one place. Here's an example of a list in Python. Let's build our complements. We will make 2 lists. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video while you type. Random choice. We use a tool to pick randomly. This picks one random word. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. Build the complement. Combine words into a sentence. Type this code into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. This is the full code. If you haven't already, type this code into Python. You can pause the video again while you type. This is what it looks like in Toolkit. Now you can try changing it. Change the list. Add your own words and make it silly or funny. Here are some examples. Jelly bean or superhero. Here's a challenge. Add a third list like colors, or print 3 complements instead. What we learned today: what a string is, what a list is, how to pick a random item, and how to build a fun program. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.